In this video, we discussed about the pro version of our PDF generator Addon. So before we proceed, I suggest you check our PDF generator free version because we covered most of the basic settings on that. A link of that video should pop up on top of this video by now. Please check that video and then come back here. Now, you already checked that video. Now let's go ahead and activate our pro version. And now go to all add-ons, search for PDF, and enable the PDF generator. Now we go back to our old form, which we used for our PDF free version. Now, if you scroll down, here you'll see an option to enable PDF diagram submission. We enable this, we hit save. Now let's go to our previous page. View the page. Let's try to submit this form and save. Now here you can see we already got the download PDF link. If I hit this thing, it will open this PDF version for the user. So that's the Pro version feature. If you have any other request for the Pro version or the PDF, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.